Does your bathtub collect water in the corner every time you take a shower? Not only could this potentially damage your walls, but it's a pain to have to dry it off every week when you take a shower. If you search for this issue online, you'll find that the problem is likely caused by the bathtub not being perfectly level, and that the only solution is to completely reinstall the tub. Yikes. There's gotta be a better way. Well, fortunately there is, and you can do it with supplies you probably already have. To start, get your existing shower curtain, or a second shower curtain, and some tape. Use the tape to affix the shower curtain along the outside edge of the shower head. You'll find that this will act under the same barrier principle of fluid dynamics that your standard shower curtain uses, but instead of merely keeping water off of the floor, it will contain the shower spray to a neat and tidy funnel, safely away from the edge of your tub. And that's all there is to it. For more home repair quick tips, life hacks, and general useful information, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Simply deploy your umbrellas across the affected area.